Hey guys, Ronnie Green here. I got a real quick prospecting tip for you. And what I wanted to say is, I don't know why a lot of people come into this industry and they feel that they should be great at the gate. When they first come in, they feel like, the first five people that they talk to about their business and getting started in their business, that they should be great at it. I don't understand why that happens. Okay, and that's the reason why so many people come into this industry and fail, or not necessarily fail, but they give up within the first 30 days. Okay, and then if you look, statistics say that most people that come into the industry drop out in the first 30 days. Okay, or less actually, because of the simple fact they feel that they should be so great at it. Okay, they get a little bit of rejection, and they don't want nothing more to do with this industry. Okay, but what I want you to understand is that you have to be bad in the beginning. Okay, you have to give yourself time to be bad at prospecting to get good. Okay, and if you go on out there and you feel that you should be start getting results in the first 5 or 10 people that you talk to, and most people don't even get to 5 or 10 people. They talk to one, 2 or 3 people, and they get one, 2 or 3 no's, and they're gone. Okay, but what I want to say is you have to give yourself time to be bad. You have to fail your way through this industry to start getting better. Okay, just like in anything else that you do. Okay, I mean when you started, the job that you work at. I mean you wasn't great at it the first day, week, or month that you started, but you knew that you wanted that check every week, so you stuck it out there, okay, until you got good at it. So, Ronnie Green, just wanted to let you know that you have to be bad, okay? You have to fail your way through this thing to start seeing the success that you want, guys. So, Ronnie Green signing out. See you in the next video.